trying to find like a good place to sit here so I could, the place is a mess. Got a newborn now, so I'm trying to, you know, it's a lot of stuff in the way. Anyway, back at the GS. It's been here for 2 months. Good news is the replacement shock has shipped from Beamer Shop, should be here in 5 to 7 days. And also, look at that. Those are OEM GSA racks. What are they doing out here? Well, I have some cool stuff to show you, but it's not in yet. I'll do a whole video on it. But today's project is removing the GSA luggage racks and putting back on the OEM racks, which is kind of crazy, but it's what I'm doing. So yeah, let's just take these off. And it's pretty easy, actually. I'm going to run my Husky and my John Deere. These are all 5mm hex bolts, including that one there. I think I'm going to go top boxless for a bit as well to see how it goes. This is going to be, I'm hoping, this is my TAT bike. Yeah, we'll talk about that later. But another time, hopefully. And I don't think I want the top box for that. So I don't know yet. We're going to take the top box off and just see how we're going to, see how it feels. But yeah, these are all 5mm bolts. Pretty easy on both sides to remove the GSA rack. I've got an install video on how to install it, but you've got 5mm here, here, somewhere here, and then down here, which has already been removed. The one complicated part I need to remember on the GS racks is you've got these kind of long carrier bolts that hook up to the rear subframe where the passenger foot pegs are. So you'll need to unhook these. I think these are T40s to remove the passenger foot pegs. Unfortunately, I'm losing a little bit of red color. That's going to suck, but the OEM GSA racks are pretty stout, and they're literally brand new. I've never used them. So put them back on. We'll see how it goes. And cool stuff coming though. I'm excited to show you guys very soon. Well, it took about 30 minutes. So I guess it's a short video. Because most people were trying to get the rack off, not put the rack back on. Luckily, I had a big bag of bolts, and I was able to measure them based on the parts, the BMW parts diagram, and I had everything I needed, including this one, which was pretty cool. Just someone took this off, I guess, for me. I don't know, it's a shop or something. But yeah, I have the bolts left over, but that's not actually... it's from a different bike. Yeah, so I've got the OEM rack back on. I'm going to throw on the, excuse me, the Black Dog roto packs back on top here. And so for upcoming travel in the TAT, I downgraded to a smaller Canon SLR. Well, it's a mirrorless, a Canon R5. It's much smaller to pack, so everything fits in the tank bag now. And I'm using the iPad Pro now instead of a laptop, so I don't need a top box anymore. And so what I'll do is I will, I wish I could get a base plate for this that would fit nicely, but Alt-Rider stopped making theirs, or it doesn't work as like it used to. But anyway, Rotopacks up here, then a 30-liter bag or something back here with soft stuff, light stuff, my tent, sleeping bag and such on top of the seat. And then, yeah, some new boxes are going on, which I want to do a review first. So I'll do the review video first, and I'll publish this video, which is going to be the showing the after thing. But keep all your parts, because buying a GSA rack would be, this is so much wider than the GSA rack. It goes out so much further. It looks like a cage versus a rack. But it's fine. It's okay. It'll be fine. Yeah, so thanks for watching, everyone. And oh wait, no, we'll do a quick edit here to the new boxes here in a few minutes. Next up, I gotta go to BMW to the dealership and buy a oil filter. I think we have any oil filters over here for BMW. I think they're all KTM and Ram. So yeah, I gotta go buy an oil filter for the GS. It's January. It's time for its annual oil change. I'll do some brake fluid flush as well. I'll get some. Do I have some brake fluid? I thought I saw a BMW thing over here. It might be. Yeah, that was the being old. The axle oil, G3 axle oil, not what I needed. But I'll do a brake fluid flush. It's been a couple years, and I really don't want to do the final dry fluid, but I should. So yeah, we'll do a little final dry fluid, brake fluid, oil change. Don't need an air filter, but yeah, this is the new rack, or the old rack is new again. And I look forward to showing you guys what's going on here. It's going to be super cool. Thanks for watching, everyone.